Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about orchestrator. So first of all, let me understand what mean by orchestrator and how it has been used. So basically, orchestrator is used in two kind of automation, which is attained automation and unattained automation. So orchestrator, which is a centralized like web services which used to store our credential business transaction item in the queue and assets, and then it helps to track our work, so which is how the bot is working, like, and monitor. So these are the things which is a centralized source which help us to track our execution of our process, so which is done by the bot. So every time if you are like designing a flow, so we are running from the studio, right? So we just click on the play button and we are running that, right? So instead of that, so in an unattended mode, so which means it does not need a human intervention. So it will run in a time interval of period, or like if, in a queue interval of period. So when I say queue interval of period, so if say, some new item is added into the queue, so that is the latest concept. I will just discuss it on later. So it is a time based queue, so it is a general thing. So where it is and a fixed time. So during those times, the bot will start running like on every days. So like how upon like you will be scheduling your triggers. So it is a daily basis or monthly basis. So likewise, as a just recap, so I will just tell you what it may be attained automation. So attained automation does which needs an human intervention, and attained automation does not need any human intervention to get processed. Let me quickly jump back to the UiPath Cloud Store so that we can find what are the services which is provided by the UiPath Cloud and what are the services which we are going to use now. So let me quickly jump back to the Crow. So already I have made a bookmark of Orchestrator link. Let me click over there. So I hope you maybe remember about this page, right? So in first video, you will be downloading your UiPath Studio from this page only. So these are the services which is provided by the UiPath. So orchestrator, insights, apps, automation apps. So these are the services. And in like in the upcoming videos, we are going to check about the orchestrator. So orchestrator, which is orchestrate our works. So which is manage our works. So right click, just open a new tab so that this page will remain same. Let's go here. Our orchestrator got loaded now. So this will be a home UI. So initially we will be getting like zero as a value since I have already used. So I have some numbers. So these are the folders you can be creating for your process. So these are the folders like you can make it as like IT folder, like financial process. So this will be like kind of process related things you can create over here. So how we are storing some like for an example, how we are classifying our folders. So if an IT and IT documents will be placed in the IT folder. Finance means like we will be creating a folder which is finance and storing all the financial detail over there. Likewise, this folder will give a so let's assume this is a IT. Okay, so this particular folder will have all the scripts of a IT process. So likewise, these folders will work actually. So just yeah, just overall, like this is a home, so where it has more UIs, process, assets, queues, triggers, machines, and the automation. So will help you to understand like what are the process has been uploaded from the UiPath Studio, and then like job will help you to monitor. So what are the process running, triggers will help you to schedule your triggers. So then, like my package, so the same thing which are published from the studio, and then monitor will help you to monitor what are the jobs is running, pending, stop, terminating. So likewise, so queues, which is helps to track your business items. So what are your business items you are storing, asserts. So the name which is asserts will help you to store a credential and like secret path. So those information can be stored here. Storage buckets is nothing but like a folder concept. So you can store your folders like documents over here. So you create a like a kind of a folder. You can click on add storage and you can create a separate storage bucket and you can storage your information. These are like I was just explaining in a top level. So in upcoming videos we can go through each and every elements and we can explore one by one. So hope you have understand like what is orchestrator and what are the UI of orchestrator. So it may be like this may be like pretty much clear, I hope. So in upcoming videos, we can just explore each and everything. So which is said like attend a robot, how you are going to run unattend robots, and then schedules like which is said previously, triggers, time-based triggers. So those things in upcoming videos, you can check it one by one so that you'll be very clear on this orchestrator part. Yeah, that's all about which I have for today. So thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.